The storm has gone. Melissa has gone. She and her boyfriend, boy, she mashed up her boyfriend in Jamaica. I don't know why that gentleman they treat her so bad. She came here with a vengeance and bruised up the whole of the man, the wickedest way. But we're talking about how to survive after the storm in Jamaica. Seeing how to survive living a simple way now. Try your chest now high. You go simple. See? There you cook some food. We call this cocoa. See? Natural organic cocoa. Cecile know this. Catechin know about the cocoa. Patrice know about it. Stew beef know about cocoa. And some of my other fans them that watch the video. How to survive just cooking a little smooth soup. The storm is over. It has done what it has already done. I don't know if our next 37 years you'll get our next direct hit in Jamaica because Charlie, they know it go again, Gilbert, and this one all at 37 years scenario. So 37 years from now, don't think I'll be on planet Earth, but it would be nice if I could get back young and strong again and be here. So, how to survive? Use what you have. If you're making a little soup, see? Even if you have a noodle, believe me, and even little flour, you can cook something. See? Even little noodle and flour, you know, if you have a carrot, all manner of stuff in this time and now, see? You don't go and you have water and pot and fire. So, I'm here cooking a small pot of corned beef soup. You know the salt beef? Yeah, because my friends, them love it all. Think Cecile love them thing here too, non cat teaching. And you know you miss the life. I'll just send voice true beef. No miss the life everlasting. Cecile miss the life. Cat teaching miss the life. Patrice miss the life. And all of the fans them miss the life. So simple cooking pan in my old pot now. See? No laugh off of me cooking on my pot because I don't have much in it to them. Me just keep it simple. See me broke off and go pot there. Cool. Very simple dumpling. Cocoa. Me never bother look no yam. Honestly, just do it all because like you just drink, you just want the juice. Me chew me peas them. Me have a whole heap of gungo, green gungo. But to come like them spoil, I was going to put the green gungo them in and I toss them away and I don't have no time to put the dry red peas in it. All is well. Sunday can make what you call it, stew peas or something like that. So just something light to not start laugh off of me thing. Few more things may have to put in it, you know, and make it thick up and nice still, but soon finish. And time me drop some more stuff in it. Me know what make it color pretty and nice, but I dumpling them cooking, you know, me cocoa. I know Cecile drink some because she no bossy. Cottage she no drink some, she no bossy. Patrice so drink some. Even stew beef that drink some, them no bossy. Them humble. How to live in this time I know. Yeah, cause we have to give thanks. A lot of people don't know what them gonna have maybe this evening. So in every little thing we give thanks. Even for a little lemonade, we give thanks. I have all 2 dry crackers, we give thanks. Some people cook dumpling and butter. Rice and butter or dumpling and pear, rice and pear. So we give thanks, my fan. Cause I taste some of the soups, you know. And I tell it feel warm and nice in my belly. See? You drink them things here, you just burp and be nice, you know. Yeah, man. So, again, we have to run a little one videos. You know, can't give up, you know. We have to come back stronger and build back stronger. Jamaican, we name and we lick about with Talawa. We never just lie down and throw up the towel and say all is lost. No, we better we coming again. So, bless up my Jamaican and all the Jamaican them abroad in the diaspora. No big up on the chest scene, big up on yourself because we are here. And one day power will restore in most of Jamaica scene. Yeah. Much love again, Kojak said that. My fan. I always see doing video and not see me, but I swear it got sometime.